Smart Canada. Today is Wednesday, the 5th of March, 2025, and we got some more snow. There's snow all over. So this is a mistake. and cars are covered up with snow. Oops, you see all them snow? There's snow everywhere. You see the car is covered up with snow right now. And we're trying to clear it off. Whoa. See the car is covered up with snow right now. There's deep snow right here. I'm walking in the deep snow. There's Thursday, and here's a car here, all covered up with snow. And across the street, there's snow everywhere. So, the sun peeking out. I was going. You found the scraper, the brush? I was gonna film you while you scrape the car off, or I could scrape help you. Wow, this snow is deep. How deep is the snow, hon? It's like, this is like 6 inches maybe.
Huh?
This snow is deep. It's like 6 inches maybe, possibly. Cause my foot is down here in the snow. It's just deep. So. I'll get the margin now. Clean out the snow, clean the snow off the car. And today's Wednesday, the 5th of March, 2024.